Hello, welcome to CSE Project 1, CSE 341. So I create the 1 week assignment. So this is the database, the JSON files, and the users to connect into the database. After that, I follow the procedures on the configuration about the database. And here is the routes or the routes here, and it will show at the message in the web page. And here the users to configure the controls and Node Express. And here there are two modules to export. One is the all. So this is the part of the JSON file, and what are then the get single that to show the database on MongoDB. And here at the configuration on the server was here is the my local the local host um, was 3000, and my database connected to MVC to um, here at the clusters. So I already configured here the um, the assignment, and here it's already connected in the MongoDB. So what's the result is this the hello world. So thank you for the watching. So this is my week 1 assignment.